Isabel, what are you doing?
Isabella, what you doing, girl?
Isabel!
Be careful. Be careful.
What is she doing? You're so silly.
What are you doing, girl? Huh?
What are you doing? Hmm? I think she did poo-poo. Yeah.
Good.
Hello. Hello, Isabella.
She should be doing one now, though, if she's crouching down like that.
What are you doing?